Hey, what's going on guys, Rob here from the Hybrid Network and welcome back to another Pirates of the Caribbean video. And this week we're going to be talking about the Fountain of Youth. This appeared in On Stranger Tides when Jack discovers it. However, there are myths and legends that someone discovered it before Jack, Juan Ponce de Leon, in 1523, who is said to have died while looking for it. To reach the fountain and use it, one must perform the profane ritual. This requires the 2 silver chalices of Cartagena, the tear of a mermaid, and someone else to drink from the second chalice so you can steal their years that they've lived and could live, granting you eternal life. Many believe that the fountain was just north of Cuba on an island called Bimini. However, the fountain is found in an uncharted island in the Caribbean. Not only had it been discovered by Ponce de Leon, but by another group of humans. However, these built a temple around it to protect it. It was sacred. A map that would allow people to search for other unworldly things helped show Ponce de Leon's journey. This map is known as the Maocan map. The crew of the Black Pearl were led by Barbossa to try and find the Fountain of Youth as a way to lift the Aztec curse that they have in Curse of the Black Pearl. However, the information of direction they were given was false, so they never found it. After the war on piracy, Jack has his sights set on a new quest, and that is the Fountain of Youth. However, his ship is taken by Barbossa again, so Jack sets off to find it on his own. He discovers it, however he doesn't have the items needed to perform the ritual, so he can't get to the fountain. As we all know, Jack has an incredible memory, so he knew the route by heart, which made him very valuable to one Blackbeard. This leads us to the events of On Stranger Tides, with 3 parties searching for the fountain: the Spanish, the English, and Blackbeard and Co. In the end, the fountain is destroyed, and Angelica, the daughter of Blackbeard, gained eternal life while Blackbeard died. And that's it. What would you like to see explained next? Leave that down in the comments below. I've been Rob from the Hybrid Network. Leave us a like, subscribe, press the alert button. Goodbye.